So RxD, happy Friday. Don't forget tonight at 7 o'clock we've got our happy hour. Wear your best PJs. It's gonna be crazy. We're all getting drunk. Not really. But come have some fun with us on Zoom. Link is on Facebook and our website. Let's talk about our NC30 workout, also now known as our NCHIIT workout, in case you guys are kind of confused on that one. We've got a 12-minute AMRAP and then a finisher after. So for our 12-minute AMRAP, simple movements today. 12 minutes, we're gonna go 10 backpack ground to overheads, 5 burpees over our backpack, and then a 200-meter run, which we'll have options for you guys. With the backpack ground overheads, we've done plenty of these by now. We just want to make sure we find a good position at the bottom. We shouldn't have the back rounded, shoulders forward. We want to make sure that the butt is down and the shoulders are pulled back. Squeeze the butt and then bring it overhead. If you have something a little bit heavier, remember it's just a ground to overhead, which means you guys can pause at that rack position and then press. You don't have to just snatch it all the way up. For the burpees over the backpack, it's only 5 at a time. We want to move pretty fast on these. If you guys need to do up downs instead of burpees, you guys can do that. But one thing I want you guys to work on is trying to stay away from that worming motion on the burpees. Treat this more of a push-up. So go back, push up, and then a nice jump over. Okay. Same thing if we can't jump over, feel free to step over. If we don't have a lot of room to work with, just go ahead and do 5 burpees. For the 200-meter run, plenty of options just like we normally do. That's about a minute run, so whether a minute of just running distance, running in place, a minute of jumping jacks, or again my favorite, kind of the backpack taps, just doing that for about a minute, something along those lines, okay? For the finisher, we have 3 sets, starting with a 2-minute plank. That is a while. We want to try and make this accumulative and not a minute on, a minute off. Any plank is fine. You guys can go from the push-up, the forearms, side plank, one way, the other way. You guys could even go to some type of hollow position. That is totally fine. Whatever we do though, we want to make sure we're in an active position. So what I don't want to see is that butt piked up super high or down the other way. We want to make sure that that butt is squeezed, belly is tight, quads are tight, really good position, whether it's forearms or it's that push-up position. And then we have 20 feet together squats. This one's a little bit more challenging. We don't normally squat like this. This is more of kind of a mobility type thing. Challenge you guys, okay? Put your feet as close together as we can. Good squat and stand, okay? Just because it says feet together does not mean we necessarily should. If we struggle with this movement, just work on bringing your feet in a little bit more. If this is my normal air squat, maybe try another foot in and do the same thing, okay? We have to focus on that back rounding a little bit as we do this. It's gonna start to wanna curve over. You still gotta make sure that back is nice and flat. And then you're gonna finish, if possible, with a 1-minute farmer's carry. So if you guys have dumbbells, something heavy to hold on to, there's just gonna be a 1 minute, hopefully on each arm. If you guys don't, just use your backpack, hold it in this position here. For 1 minute, load it up as much as you can. If you want to challenge yourself, you can go 30 seconds right, 30 seconds left. Okay? That's our NC30. Have fun.